Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of my spring clean series for 2019. This is part 1 of the kitchen, so please follow along, grab your cleaning motivation, whether that be wine, coffee, cocktail, I don't judge. Let's just get it clean so that when it's nice outside, we can play outside and enjoy the weather. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. I have tons of cleaning videos, so be sure to check out the playlist I have linked above and below, and I am so excited to have you here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Step, I take a wet microfiber rag and spray some Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena spray, and I am just wiping out all the disgusting dust and leftover like confetti from fake snow I had up there from Christmas. It was disgusting. I threw away the rag. And then so I wet my new one, and then I'm going to use the same all-purpose spray, and then I'm going to wipe down all of the cabinets, or the top cabinets. In part 2, we'll clean out the cabinets completely and wipe everything out. So stay tuned for that. That will be next Monday. I definitely want to make sure to keep up on wiping things down like this, and I think once a season is good to just kind of deep clean everything you don't think about, just to make sure it never gets crazy. And I mean, it's just so much easier to take one day out of one season to, you know, deep clean some of these things, then that way you can just quickly clean the rest of the season. And don't worry, I clean off the counter after. I know my socks are disgusting on the counter. I swear they're new. It's just from walking around. So we have hardwood floors, and it just happens. Now I'm just wiping down like the window seal and the trim around the window. And then I remembered I forgot to wipe the insides of that cabinet, so I went back to it. I'm just going to clean off my rag and then move over to the cabinets over here. And yes, my camera is sitting on top of the fridge.
Nothing more to me, 'cause I'd start over.
Because I work in sections and I was already over here, that's when I cleaned the top of these cabinets instead of right after cleaning the other tops. It's just quicker and more efficient this way, in my opinion. So just kind of a repeat of the last step, but still using my Mrs. Meyer's spray. Now onto the window, which I have not cleaned yet since we moved in. So good thing I needed to film this video, otherwise I probably still wouldn't have cleaned the window, but that is one of the things that I am going to try and keep up on. But I make sure to get like the seal and everything as well, and the window pane, just to make sure everything is nice and clean and minimize the dust, because allergy season is coming and the dust does not make things any easier.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And now it is time to sweep and mop. I normally just vacuum, but my little guy was sleeping and I was not about to wake him up. And I also hurry and did the dishes off camera as well. You've seen me do the dishes in my other videos. So I will link them above and below. So if you want to see my other cleaning videos, make sure to check those out. And then I also did mop off camera as I ran out of space, but you know, beginner YouTuber life over here. So filming on your phone, that tends to happen a lot, but you know, we are getting there, and I believe that this community is going to grow. And like I always say, I love making YouTube videos. It's so much fun, and it's something that I can do for myself and not just be mom and girlfriend. Like, I am me, I'm Shelly. So it's really fun for me. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications. You don't want to miss all of the fun spring cleaning I have coming up on this series. It will be a 10-part episode so far, so I can't wait, and I will see you guys there. Have a good week.